Uh-huh.
Oh!
What the freak?
What? What?
Is that it? There we go. I can't. There we go. That's pretty weird. What do you think? What do you think? Let's see these. Okay. Just looks like the other one.
What's wrong with it?
It looks weird. Come here. It's warping in the camera.
What the
I told you that looks weird. Here, take that one. Now look at this one.
heck? What the heck? It looks weird. It looks
Exactly.
super, like this is like oval.
Hey, shut up. Somebody here? Oh no, there's some.
No one's there. Or is there someone there?
That looks like so weird.
What?
Like zooming in on people. It's a nice day out though. Yeah, it's a really nice day.
Shut up!
Got a insane dog right here. And we got a little weirdo. Okay, sure. Whatever. So, it sounds nice out there. Some nice sirens going. Somebody probably got killed yesterday. I don't know. It's probably exactly why the sirens are going, but they're going today because they're really lazy. But yeah. Don't even ask. This isn't even my place. Ice cold beer, sold Hayden. Bush. This is my cousin's bike. The ambush. The ambush.
Hey, don't shut it!
I did exactly what she told me not to do. And this is my bike. What do you want? Why do you care? This is the house. And there is Sadie. S-A-D-I-E. Right?
Are you riding with it?
I don't know, am I? No, I'm not. I'm sitting on my bike. Here, hold my warping fidget spinner. This is where a bunch of wasps are. They're about an inch long.
You're gonna lose.
Leah, you barely even spun it. Mine won about like 10 times in a row yesterday. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, that's just weird. Leo, look at this. Just watch. Freaking hair's in the way.
What the heck?
Oh, yeah, that's freaking weird. Oh, here we go, here we go.
What if you had
Whoa,
a bike?
what the freak?
Drew, what if you had a bike where like a person had a bike where like two fidget spinners were on the sides, and like every time like
That'd be pretty stupid.
you rode your bike, they spun.
Jesus, that looks weird. Right here.
I can pop these things out.
Yeah, I'll pop it out and I'll kill you.
So you are riding your bike?
No. I'm not riding it right now. I'm just walking with it, aren't I? Okay, now I'm riding it. Okay, let's try to get off the grass here. No. No. And no. No, it's not easy riding no-handed. Well, I get to say it kind of is. Sometimes. Okay. So let's just ride one-handed for now. Little goofy balls. One hanging down. Oh. That's good. Okay. Avenue. 11th Avenue. And of course, you know that I have to hold the phone and drive the bike. Well, direct the bike, but I don't want to direct the bike. Well, now I do, but let's just go down this dead end. I'm like all the way over there, middle left, middle right, middle left, middle right, middle right, middle left, middle right, middle left, middle left, middle left, middle right, and yeah. And then I went all the way back. Oh, sorry, I'm just joking. Oh man. Don't tell me we have to go through this little thing. Oh. Hi. Oh. Hey, look at me. Look at where I'm at. Well, guess I'm just gonna end the video here, I guess. I don't want to make it that long. It doesn't take like 2 hours to upload. No, it doesn't take 2 hours, but yeah, anyways. Well, I'll see you in the next vid. Summer.